Today we're going to talk about making a house specialty, 2 cocktails that you can use this summer so that you can have a very sparkly summer with summer sizzlers for cocktails. The first cocktail has a little bit of interesting history. It's called the French 75. And the French 75 is a gun from World War I. It was considered the most powerful gun in the world. And so a French 75, novelist Evelyn Waugh called the French 75 the most powerful drink in the world. Now you don't have to make it as powerful as this, but I'm going to show you the real version. So the French 75 has gin, or you could use cognac. And I'm using Bombay Sapphire because it's such a beautiful bottle. And we're going to put ice in a shaker. This is it. And then we're going to put half an ounce of lemon. Always use fresh. So here we go. This is my favorite thing. We're gonna put a little teeny bit of half an ounce of lemon juice in our shaker. You always want to measure with the drink. With this drink you do. There's a half an ounce of lemon. We're gonna put a little bit of sugar, maybe like let's say half a teaspoon of sugar. I'm using a special sugar. I'm gonna mix that around. Add a little more ice. Now we're gonna add 2 ounces of gin. You can use any kind of gin you like. Usually I use Hendrick's if I'm making a martini, but this is so beautiful, and it looks like summer because of this blue. It looks like a pool. So Sapphire Bombay, I'm using 2 ounces. I put the top on. Mix it, and you mix it very hard for 15 seconds, back and forth. You want it freezing cold. It's sort of the entertainment. It begins the entertainment of the party. But when people first come to your house, people might not be so comfortable right now after COVID. They haven't been anywhere, they haven't gone to people's houses, so they might want a little stiffer drink. But now we're gonna fill these glasses with a French 75 with Prosecco or champagne. This is champagne, and it's not the finest champagne in the world, but it's very good champagne. We're not going to use Paul Roger or, Dom Perignon for this. But here we go, and then in each one, I'm going to make a little teeny bit of lemon zest. And all you do is you cut the lemon peel. It does not have to be fancy. Remember, you're not a bar. No one's expecting you to be a bar. This is your house. And you are giving your guests your special drink for this summer. So you take the lemon peel and you squeeze it on top so a little bit of the oil of the skin gets into the drink. And here you go. And now, cheers.